Alright, D. It says x squared minus 9 over x minus 2 squared less than or equal to 0. So it looks like one side is already 0, so we don't need to move any terms from left to right or right to left. So now we can factor numerator and denominator, and then we can do the factor table. So x squared minus 9 can be factored as x minus 3 times x plus 3 over, so x minus 2 squared is already factored. Then we make the factor table. So we use the zeros from numerator and denominator. So we have 3, negative 3, and 2. Put them in order from smallest to largest. So we have negative 3, 2, and 3. Okay, so we put the factors on the left, x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 2 square. Okay, so x minus 3, 0 at 3. If you substitute any number less than 3, you get negative value for x minus 3, right? Let's say when you substitute 1 or negative 5, so you get negative value here. So negative before, positive after 3. So x plus 3 is 0 at negative 3. Okay, again, if you substitute any number that is less than negative 3, you get negative. Any value is greater than negative 3 gives you positive 3 here. Okay, x minus 2 square is 0 at 2. Okay, but any other than that, if you substitute any number here, because you are squaring, you get a positive value. So positive all the way. Now collect. So negative times positive, positive, and here negative times positive gives you negative. Okay, negative times positive gives you negative, positive gives you positive. So what do we need? We need less than 0. So we want negative or 0. So these are the intervals. Okay, so it is from negative 3 to 2, 2 to 3. Okay, now look at the restriction. Restriction is 2, so 2 cannot be taken. Okay, so we use round bracket, and 3 is okay because 3 makes this numerator 0, or the whole rational expression 0. That can be taken. Okay, and negative 3 is the same thing. It makes numerator 0. So 0 over a number gives you 0, and 0 is acceptable because it is less than or equal to 0. So yeah, so we use square brackets for 3 and negative 3. Okay, so I'm gonna do the last one. So the first thing is move everything to one side. Again, don't try to do it like a rational equation. Okay, so we do not multiply both sides by LCM. It doesn't work for inequalities. So we move everything to one side. Then we will have a common denominator. First calculate what is LCM, right? LCM is x plus 1 times x minus 4. So you should multiply the first fraction by x minus 4, second one by x plus 1. Okay, so if we do that, we get 2x minus 6 times x minus 4 minus x minus 3 times x plus 1. Usually some of those brackets are forgotten. I have seen maybe at least 4 or 5 people here, so they don't put the bracket. Okay, like this. It doesn't work that way, right? What does this mean? Negative x minus 3 times x plus 1. But that's not what we mean, right? We mean x minus 3 times x plus 1. So make sure you put the brackets. Okay, so divided by, again, the LCM or common denominator is x plus 1 times x minus 4. Okay, as you see, this is not in factored form. There's a negative sign here, so it means you have to expand everything and collect like terms. Okay, so 2x times x, 2x square. 2x times negative 4, negative 8x, minus 6x, negative 14x, plus 24. Okay, so minus, so now we multiply these two, so x squared minus 3x plus x minus 2x, negative 3 plus times plus 1, negative 3. Okay, now so distribute this negative sign. Again, brackets are very important. If you don't put bracket here, then the whole answer will go wrong. Okay, so we have 2x squared minus 14x plus 24 minus x squared plus 2x plus 3. Now collect, so we get 2x squared minus 12, no, x squared, there is negative 1 here, so negative 12x plus 27. Oh, it is less, greater only. Okay. Okay, now factor this numerator, so that is, looks like x minus 3 times x minus 9. So x minus 3 times x minus 9 over x plus 1 times x minus 4 greater than 0. Now we do the factor table. So we have zeros for, of the numerator, 3, 9, zeros of the denominator, negative 1, 4. Put those numbers in order from smallest to largest. So negative 1, 3, 4, and 9. Okay, so let's put the factors on the left. X minus 3, x minus 9, x plus 1, and x minus 4. So x minus 3, 0 at 3, negative before 3, and positive after 3. X minus 9, 0 at 9, negative before 9, positive after. X plus 1, 0 at negative 1, negative before, positive after. X minus 4, 0 at 4, negative before, positive after. So now collect. You get positive, negative, positive, negative, and positive. So what do we need? We want this rational expression greater than 0. So we want it to be positive. So you take the positive intervals. So the first one is from negative infinity to negative 1. Again, it is only positive values, so zeros should not be taken. So we only use round bracket here. Okay? Okay, that's the first one. So second one is from 3 to 4. And the last one is from 9 to positive infinity.